All right, Don, I'm back with the interior of the boat. I'm gonna give you a quick rundown here. So in the back of the boat, you have these two seats. There's actually storage underneath these. I apologize, I've got the plastic storage bins out of it. But there's some plastic storage bins that sit down in there, and you have some additional storage. I'll send you a picture of that separately. I apologize, I'm already up on the boat. Once again, you got your hard tank ballast here. And then these are your fat sacks. These are actually an add-on. You add in after the fact, but they come in pre-plumbed. You can order Malibu wake setters, be pre-plumbed for fat sacks. But I went ahead and had those put in before I brought the boat home. I got a little storage bin here over the motor compartment. I'll show you the motor here in a second. And then of course, here's down into the other one. There's your other rear ballast tank, and then your fat sack for this side as well. Once again, this will have a plastic compartment under this one, and that's for storage. You got your stainless steel cup holders on the back of the boat, there and there. And then here is your vent release for your engine compartment when you turn your blower on. So lifting up this storage compartment, there's the 409 Monsoon 10 or 409 Monsoon engine. As you can see, that thing is pretty clean. I get it serviced at Marine Outfitters. I've had to have 2 or 3 services done on it since I bought it. Winterized, 50-hour service, 7-hour service, and they've definitely taken care of the boat for me. So I'll leave it with them to take care of. There's your ski pylon there. I'll show you that in here in a second. Let me shut these down for you real quick though, so that I can climb up into the boat. There's your spec deck. Nice. Okay. So over into the boat. So there's your ski pylon there. You got the G 3.5 tower, Malibu tower. Rev 8 speakers. Bimini top. There's your wake surfing pylon there. Kind of working my way down. Okay. You've got 4 speakers in this piece of the cabin as well, in addition to the subwoofer, 2 tower speakers, 2 speakers at the pass-through, and 2 speakers on the front of the boat. So this thing will really annoy your neighbors jamming. Got the stainless, the billet glove box there. You see, we put all our koozies in there. Stainless steel cup holders are all throughout, and grab bars. You have USB ports here for your guest seating in the back here, and then you have your regular cigarette lighter plug-ins there. All these, there's lights underneath this at night, lights on this, and then you have lights all in your storage compartment. Here's storage here underneath the life jackets. That's where I keep all my life jackets, are underneath the seats. You got storage underneath all these seats in the boat actually. This one here is a pass-through storage. So this is where I keep my buoys and my anchors and whatnot, but this is all dry storage, and then your amps are in there as well. So that all passes through all the way to the front, as you can see. So we kind of throw our stuff in there. Subwoofer. You got the driver's captain chair there. Pretty nice, huh? And then the flip up seat, in case you're pulling somebody surfing or something, you needed a little extra room. Pretty cool feature to these boats. I'm not sure you probably noticed or not, but this is a trash can. So you open this thing up, you got your cooler under here. You see, those are those skirts I was telling you about. I kind of keep them in here. And then you have this removable trash can with a little trash bag in it, and put it in there. Here's your owner's manual here. Malibu Boats owner's manual. I just washed it this morning, so it's a little wet in here. So I apologize. You got the surf turn dial. You're probably aware of all these, but you can control your surfing, your radio volume control, your cruise control, as well as your wedge, all from this as well as on the Malibu screen, which I'll turn on here in a second. And then you have push to start on this boat, and then you have the key start down there where you put the key in. Dry storage here, so I can just keep my wallet, my cell phone when I'm out with my wife. And then of course you can put your cell phone here as well. Kind of use that to run your music. Stainless steel cup holders down by the driver's captain's chair, and then a little stubbage, little cubby of storage there, and then you got storage down behind the seat as well, a little area there. So I'll go real slow here, give you another good look of the boat. Gonna come around. Yeah, there's still storage under that little seat there where I got that t-shirt. And I put that down because I'm one of those crazy people. I don't really like to walk on my upholstery. I know. Okay. Up front, 2 seats. You and I were talking the other day. I'm gonna put this back down. You've got USB plug-ins up here as well. You asked me about the seating. I don't have the best, but I'm 5'9", 5'10". Probably got about 3 or 4 inches there. I've got my back hanging out in front of the boat. So up front, 2 people can sit up here very comfortably, no problem. We got a storage here in front of the seat, on the back of the seat, and that's where I keep all of my cleaning supplies for the boat. The batteries are located in the front here, and then this Malibu, Malibu, sorry. Probably can hear me. I apologize for but this is your Malibu windshield, wind blocker for the, just slides down in there. Put that back in a second. One other thing I didn't share with you, I'll turn my batteries on. So you got your battery turn on here. You got you can go 1 house battery and starting battery, or just starting battery. So it's 3 different settings. We usually just do house battery when we're just kind of hanging out. So we'll power, as you can see, she's powering up now. This boat has 2 outlet heaters. Blower just came on. The blower will automatically come on and run for 4 minutes whenever you first turn the boat on. You have a heater here, so these heaters actually come out. It'll reach all the way to the back seat. Put a towel over you in the wintertime if you're surfing like in the April, early spring. Heater for the drivers as well is here. There's a subwoofer there, and those heaters are awesome. Me and my buddies were surfing this year in April, and we utilize that for sure. So got low fuel, so I'll tell you when it's low fuel. Me and my wife went out this weekend, and I've got to put gas in it today. So here is the command center. This boat has 0 off GPS, so you can go paddle wheel or GPS when you're riding it. That's actually an additional option as well. Get your water and air temperature. These are all your ballast tank systems here. These are all push to touch. I'm sure you've used these or been on one of these before, but you just literally hit any of these and then whatever % capacity, or you can just fill all. And then when you're ready to come home in the evening and you're done surfing, you just hit go home, and then everything drains. The wedge will go back up to stow positions. Surf gate will go back to the center, and you're done. All of this, because touchscreen is here, well, your surf left and right is touchscreen, and then your wedge. You were asking me the other day about riding it. I'm 5'9", I weigh about 210 pounds. I usually ride the wedge right here, 3 or 2 from ramp. My friends that are a little bit bigger than me, I got a buddy that comes out, he's like 6 foot, 240. He usually runs it 1 click above me on that. So definitely got a lot of push. Here's your volts, oil pressure, obviously it's not running, and engine temperature. And then the hours here, I actually took it out a little bit yesterday, so I'm up to 109 hours. We're gonna take it out today, so I'll probably have about 112 or 13 on it after today. So we usually run it 3 or 4 hours. We do a lot of surfing on it. So assuming I get it sold this week, I'll probably have about 112 to 15 on it when I get done with it. Here is all your other accessory controls. Your blower, I just turned it off. You got 2 bilge pumps. You got the aft and your forward bilge pump. And then you have your heater as well. Your radio is worked on here on this side, and then your settings. These are all the different calibrations: surf gate, power wedge, accessory outputs. So, you know, we were talking earlier about the heaters, surf band, which I didn't show you, but here's your surf band. If you're familiar with the surf band, this is, you can actually operate the wedge, the speed of the boat, the volume of the radio, and the surf gate all from the Surf Watch. So I apologize. I'm gonna pull this out, show it to you real quick. I use this all the time. Big fun for me and my friends when we're out surfing. So here's your Surf Watch, Surf Band. Sorry, that's real blurry for some reason. Can't get it to focus. There we go. So pretty cool stuff there. A lot of options on the boat. You got the mirror, Bimini top. Bimini top covers the whole area inside. Once again, it's a great all-around boat. I appreciate your interest. If you need anything specific, any specific pictures or any other comments, feel free to give me a call. Thank you so much.